Welcome to Kids Study Camp. The sky is blue. She is happy. He is tall. The dog is cute. This book is interesting. The water is cold. The sun is bright. The room is clean. The food is delicious. The road is long. The flower is beautiful. The boy is smart. The girl is kind. The car is fast. The tree is big. The baby is sleepy. The story is short. The night is dark. The teacher is friendly. The house is small. The music is loud. The day is hot. The ice is hard. The cat is lazy. The game is fun. Thank you.